Hello everybody, I am Sabarendu and yet I am to another Playto Labs project. In today's class, we have made a water dispenser. Let me explain you the physics first. Well, in this, it's all gravitational force. Due to gravity, the water is coming out. How may you ask? The gravitational force sends air that pushes down the water. So when it's open, the air goes in and forces the water out. So the more open the cap is, the more water will flow out. And now it's tightly closed, no air entering, so water is in a still position. Let me show you the working. So now at first there's only a little bit of water coming out. Then I open it more. And I fully open it. There. And now I close it again. Oops. This is the working. It successfully took out water from the water bottle out into my cup. Thank you for watching.